So guys, welcome to 2026, the year whereby anyone can actually start making money off content creation without having to create 100% original content of theirs. Now this might sound funny, but take a look at the internet right now. Some of the biggest pages out there are actually built on other people's content. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple ways in which you can actually repost other people's content and get monetized. Now, a lot of you, I know you've been trying this already before, but you don't end up getting monetized, basically because you'll be making one mistake or the other. And that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you these 3 simple methods, and I'll break each of them down to the lowest barest minimum, so that what any single person can actually get started and also avoid any sort of issue that will prevent them from getting monetized. So guys, this video is officially brought to you by 22bet. Now 22bet is a legal gambling company registered globally. So in case you are someone who is used to gambling and you're looking for a reliable platform to actually gamble with, then make sure to gamble with 22bet. They are 100% registered and licensed globally. Now in case you want to sign up, use the link that's available in this video description. Now if you are below the ages of 18, please do well to stay away from gambling. So now guys, the first method in actually using other people's content and getting monetized legally is basically clipping streamers' content. Now if you are someone who is actively watching YouTube shorts or Facebook reels or TikTok videos, you will come across so many ISO-speed clips that other people have cut in short, or his live streams, or basically Kata if it's live stream that people have cut in short, this and that. Now you can also start doing this and start making money. Now a lot of you ask, do this clipping also get monetized? Yes, they get monetized by the social media platform itself, and at the same time you can also get monetized in other ways that I'll be sharing with you in the video on. But first, let's talk about how exactly you can actually start doing this clipping as a total beginner. Now the first thing you need to do is simply you need to join their live. So you need to follow up on their profile, and if you are looking for profiles to follow, I always advise you follow Kata Efe because he's the trendy one in Africa right now. DDG, you follow up with ISO-speed and some of the biggest streamers that you personally know. Now I don't engage with streamers that much, I just see their videos on my feed once in a while. So basically you can follow all those streamers up, and if you are someone who is interested in gaming, you can decide to follow all the streamers that stream the kind of games that you actually want. Now once you've marked out when they go live and they are streaming, the next thing is simply you screen record their streaming. Now whilst they are streaming on either Twitch, YouTube live, TikTok live, or whatever platform they are actually streaming on, you can just use your phone screen recorder, or if you are using your laptop, you use a screen recorder and actually record their live stream. Now once it's finished recording their live stream, basically you wait till the whole stream is over, then you move the video that you actually screen record to your video editor. Now once you move it over to your video editor, now the main work actually begin. And what is the work? The work here is simply you cut off every random moment of your live stream and basically focus on only the key moments during the stream. So maybe during the live stream they introduce a big celebrity that you know that what people are actually interested in. Now you just cut out those particular parts. Or during the live stream, if it's Kata, if maybe they did something really funny and you just take out that part, you are not going to post the whole stream that you've actually screen recorded. You are going to post only the most interesting part. Now you can even make up to 10 different videos from a single live stream. So basically just pick the key moments, cut them out of the original. Now once you are done cutting them off, they'll move over to the next thing you need to do. Now the next thing you need to do is simply you need to actually add effects to the video. Now you've screen recorded the original video, you've done your cuttings. Now you can just take those cuts and then just upload them like that. They will look too raw. One thing you need to do is simply, now most of the live streamers, they already add sound effect to their streams. So what you need to do is simply you need to add video effect, like basically just change the appearance of the video a little bit to actually make it a bit different from the original. Now if you are on CapCut, it's basically simple. You can just drag any CapCut effect and layer it on the video and you are already good to go. Now once you get this done, then the next thing you need to do is simply, now how do you get to make money by clipping people's live stream? Now there are so many ways, but here are my favorite. Number one, you can make money through Facebook reel monetization. Yes, Facebook monetize when you clip other live streamers content, they actually monetize it. Now secondly is basically affiliate. You can use to promote affiliate offers depending on the kind of live stream that you are actually clipping. Not all of them will be suitable to promote offers, but some of them will be suitable for you to promote anything. Now another one is simply if your page is really grown and are getting active engagement, well, you can actually get sponsorship deals. Now some of the best companies that actually look out for streamers clipping is basically gambling companies. Now there are so many gambling companies out there that will willingly pay you just to put their logo on whatever clip that you've edited, and the creators actually don't have any problem with it. Method number 2 on how you can actually use other people's content and get monetized legally is basically listicle compilation content. Now, what are this sort of content? This sort of content are basically sort of content whereby you just gather maybe top 10 funniest videos, top 10 this, top 5 this. You basically just make a list of top of whatever number that you actually want, and you just upload. Now, this sort of content will also get you monetized legally. Like, let me show you a typical example of a YouTube channel that is doing that. Take a look at this YouTube channel here known as Amazing Top 10. Every single thing on this channel is all about top 10. Like, for example, take a look at this video here. Just 2 hours ago, already 722 views. Top 10 strange discoveries made during road construction. Top 10 disturbing things found in national park. Like, basically, they just make these videos of top 10 this, top 10 that. And you know the best thing of it all? You can actually start creating this sort of content by using AI to generate the medias. Like, let's just go back. We are going to see so many channels on this topic that talks about different things. Now, you can do yours as top 5, whereby you talk about maybe top 5 best smartphones, top 5 best foods to eat, top 5 best countries to visit. Now, you just have to pick a channel and then let your channel name be that thing. Now, if you are going to do top 5, one thing I advise is simply just stick within top 5. If you are going to do top 10, just stick within top 10, so that every single thing has to do with top 10. Now, the benefit of having this in this manner is simply when all of your videos are either top 10 or top 5, it makes the algorithm better understand your video. And before you look, that search term might be glued to your particular channel. Take a look at it here. There are so many channels doing that with millions of subscribers, 10 videos, and they already have 10,000 plus subscribers. And the last time they posted was just 9 months ago. Even the last time they posted is 9 months ago. But take a look at their channel performance in general. So this is a very great niche that you can also get yourself. It's easy to do, and you can easily start making money with it if you take it seriously. Now, let's get down to the third method on our list. So guys, the third method here is my favorite method when it comes to reposting other people's video, and this is known as the reaction content. Now, what is the reaction content? Now, what you basically do when it comes to making money with the reaction content is simply you look out for trending videos on the internet. So maybe someone's video is trending, and all you simply do is simply you retake that video and then you react to that video. Now, how do you react to the video? It's simple. Now, before I go into this, let me show you a typical example of what I mean by reaction videos. As a trader who really wants to become profitable, this is exactly what you need to hear. And I'm glad that it's coming from one of my favorite traders on the internet as well, because a lot of you don't know the power of wait. The power of that 4-letter word wait is very important when it comes to trading. Now, let's hear what he has to say about the power of waiting in order to become profitable.
You made your first million at your 3rd year mark. What did you do in those first 3 years that others maybe don't?
So the number one thing is the ability to just wait for.
Now, talk of reaction videos is basically you taking someone else's content and then maybe you do a short intro telling people what to expect in the video. Now, after you've said your intro, then you play the video that you're actually reacting to. Now, at the end of the video, you have 2 things to do. It's either you educate people about whatever thing that the person said. If the person did not include any key point, you can help the person by including it. That makes the content originally yours now. Or you can just give your own general opinion about it, or you can warn people about whatever thing that is said, or at times you can just support the motive behind whatever thing that the person is saying. This is what is known as reaction content. Now, with reaction content, you are a bit required to actually show your face also. Now, in case you don't know how you can create reaction videos and you look for how you can actually create reaction videos and not get monetized, then just comment reaction video that in this comment section. I'm going to reply you with a link to a video that I've actually made about every single thing you need to know on how to start creating reaction videos and how you can start creating it, whether you're using an Android phone or you are using an iPhone. Whatever device you are using, you can actually start creating your own reaction videos and start making money today. Now, when it comes to all of the options I have on this list, for someone like me who always like keeping my face behind my brand, I will say that the reaction video method is my favorite method, and that's why I keep it last. Now, it's not for everyone. That's why I said that there will be something for every single person out there. It's either you are going to show your face with the reaction video method, which is my favorite, or you are going to use AI to create the listicle compilation, use AI for the voiceovers, and then you download random images or videos that fit each scene on the internet, or use AI to generate the medias as well. Or finally, you use the streamers clipping method. That also is a great option. So at the end of the day, the method you go with totally depends on you and what exactly you actually want. Now here's one thing that you need to know, is that in case you need someone to actually walk you through, now I offer a one-on-one mentorship on how you can actually do either of these things, or whatever single thing that has to do with making money with content creation. Well, I offer a one-on-one mentorship on it. If you are interested, all you need to do is simply just click on any of the contact details in the video description and basically contact me, and we can actually start off from there. Now my mentorship fee start from as low as $200 upward, so the fee actually depends on what exactly you want to learn. There are